to board, and I just observed her because obviously she's drunk, and I just watched her and saying, and then she ran up the jet bridge to go get her bag because she left her bag at Gasparilla. Then I was gonna have a conversation with her and know she'd been drinking, blah blah blah. Well, I told her she wasn't gonna board until we had a conversation. She ran down the jet bridge and kept going after I told her repeatedly to come back up here and continued. Now she refuses to get off the aircraft. So we're removing her off the aircraft, but she will not come off the aircraft. So that is what you're walking into.
Well, I guess we have. Well, Tony's on his way.
She's got her cell phone.
You did tell him that she did come off.
All right. Well, we got a supervisor on the way.
We can go down, but we just won't go in.
Yeah, we just can't go on the plane.
She came off and went back on after we informed her she could not get on the aircraft. So.
All right.
Yeah.
Like I said, our supervisor's coming, so he's got to be the one to go on and like kind of get her to come off. So, is there any interference?
She had gotten in the face of the captain and the first officer. Was yelling at the number one and the captain. Videotaping them.
But nothing physical, right? It was just.
I don't believe so.
Yeah, scan. Yeah, hey, listen, do you have a scanner? Then scanner. Hold on a second. Yeah.
We have already been informed. Can you tell her police to tell her to get off?
No, I've already told her that. She ran back on the airplane.
Well, police are here. Can you?
I know, but here's what, if you could kindly do this. If one of you, she's sitting right in first class, if one of you could kindly go behind in the aisle and then the other one ask her to come off.
We cannot go in the plane. Only supervisor.
Oh, so you can, but your supervisor can? Okay, all right, yeah. So,
We get it from the rundown up there.
okay, so.
You just want to let her know that police are here telling her to get off the plane? We just can't go in the plane. So.
Well, let's go down the phone.
No, we can go in the plane. It's just for this. We can't.
It's game plan.
She won't come on. She says
We're just waiting for our supervisor.
Her supervisor is the only one that can go on the airplane.
Now, are you the CRO?
Yeah,
There's something.
GSC and
Can I get
manager.
a picture of your badge or your name or something, just in case?
Go ahead and send him and just have him stay up there.
I think she'll get off. We had her on there.
Well, she's getting off. She's getting off.
She was standing right here. And I said, please come with me. The
That other
police
gate
are
agent still
coming.
here?
And then when she heard the police, she went
Yo. So just a quick synopsis. So I guess she's probably was hanging at Gasparilla. She checks in, she walks down, but then she runs back up because I guess she forgot her bag. But I guess she may have been a little belligerent.
Yeah.
But then the agent went to stop her to kind of be like, well, you're not flying with us now.
Yeah.
Just completely runs by her and just jumps on the plane. Then apparently got off the plane, but then went right back on. So apparently, I guess the only way she'll probably get off now is if she sees a police officer, from what they're telling me. So hopefully she'll come off when she sees you.
Hi, how are you? Good. So I'm gonna go stand behind her. She's the second seat in the green and
What's her
first
name,
class
you know?
plane.
First?
What's her name?
Lauren. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna stand behind her in the aisle and then you can talk.
All right.
Hi, miss. Can you come off the plane with me?
Oh, well, if you can explain to me the reason why.
I'll explain it out there,
No,
but
I
we
would
can't.
like, no,
Miss, this is what's going to happen. Everybody's going to get off the airplane, and then we're going to have to take you against your will. And we don't want to do that because you're going to upset all these other passengers.
Here's the thing is I'm not really worried about the other passengers. What
Okay.
I am worried about is my rights.
Okay.
And my rights are that you are to explain to me what it is that is going on. I've done nothing wrong.
Okay, so let me explain it to you.
No, but you are going to listen to
I'm
me.
going to explain it to you.
And you can after I'm done.
Okay.
So I'm very well aware of my rights. I'm
Yep.
very well educated. Clearly,
Okay.
I'm sitting here.
All
I
right.
paid for this seat 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
I've done absolutely nothing wrong. There is something wrong with people that work for this airline that are outside,
Right.
which have made the complaint against me. I've done nothing wrong. So if you guys want to tell me what it is that I did wrong, then maybe
I'm
you'll
gonna take first class
cooperate.
off.
Well,
These curtains
well,
will
the
just take-
captain of the
No, the
airplane.
captain of the airplane is right there, and him and I had a very clear conversation. He does not believe that this should be happening.
Well,
He
he's
said
there and we're here.
And he's right here, and he told me to my eyes, he said this is out of his control.
Right. So that's where we come in.
Please come talk.
Can we
No,
have
but
first
you
class
did.
to plane so you can just take
I
it
am
to
first class, miss.
Okay, all right. The other people
This,
passenger.
there's
Can I
something
get you-
going on.
I am
You
first
exhibited,
class,
Miss
ma'am.
Nash, you exhibited some behavior that's not conducive to that.
And am I exhibiting that
There's
behavior?
you've either ingested or taken something
No, I am
that's
not.
getting in the front of your judgment. That's
Sir,
what I'm
I
saying.
have not.
So we're gonna
ingested
have
or
everybody
taken
come out, and
something.
then we're gonna have to
Okay,
take it
that's
out.
fine. Can you take my bag that is...
No,
If-
ma'am,
if
you're
that's what you
refusing
wanna
to.
do.
You're refusing to
No,
come out.
I'm not leaving
So-
here without my
Well,
bag.
grab your bag and we'll take it. We'll take it
Good,
with
you
you.
can do that.
You
It's
can do it
behind
because that's
this
your bag.
man.
That's your bag. So you do it.
All right, so
Are you guys really this sick? Are you
Are you wanting
and
to
I
get your
had
bag?
this conversation. Are
Right,
you kidding
and it's
me?
beyond his control.
No, listen to him.
You're gonna want to stand up and exit the aircraft at this
control
opportunity.
12 or
If
111
you don't, it's gonna be worse.
Are you kidding me?
I'm telling you.
No, he's
and
not.
You should take my advice.
Just grab your bag and
I
go
haven't
ahead.
done anything wrong.
Well, you've exhibited some kind of behavior. And
There are
that's
proper
concern.
channels.
So what
So,
we're going
let's
to do
grab
right
your bag.
now, what we're going to do right now is we are going to start recording this.
I'm recording you too, so that's fine. I have no problem going on YouTube. But grab your bag and let's get off the plane so you don't upset the rest of it.
I've already upset the
You
rest
have,
here.
yes. So let's
Yeah.
just get out, get your bag, and
So
we'll leave.
here's the deal, sir.
Uh-huh.
I'm just gonna have first class so you can take it off.
Okay.
First
All right.
class.
You know what? You know what I don't like? You know what I don't like? I don't like...
Let's see if first class is okay.
Do we leave first off?
You don't have to unless you want to.
We can though.
No?
Okay.
You don't have to go on.
Is this your green one?
There we go. All right.
Don't you guys have more important things to do?
We do. Yeah, we do. But this is one of the important ones.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's really
It
not.
is.
It's, you know what it is. And I will tell you what it is.
All right, grab your bag. We can talk while you're walking.
No.
But you're
No,
telling me
no,
what to do. It doesn't work that
No, but here's
way.
the
Miss
thing.
Nash, it doesn't work that way.
Listen,
Grab your
what
bag.
you asked was,
Grab your bag
this
and
is
let's
what's
go.
going to happen.
What's going to happen is in
By
about
your
5
phone.
seconds, you're going to get in
What are you
handcuffs.
going to do?
We're going to arrest you for disorderly conduct. How's that? Thank you so much.
You guys are sick. Really?
Ma'am, continue up.
Just give me a second, would you?
We've had plenty of time. Go ahead and go up.
Please go
I'm
on.
waiting
Just
for you.
give me a second. Let me.
Go.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, we'll talk about it.
Sorry, folks. Apologize.
Keep going. Come on.
Hey, one more and we just have 15. One more and we just
Give me a second.
Gotta walk, ma'am. You gotta
Give
get up.
me a second. would
Upstairs,
you?
we can get a second. We're gonna walk.
Listen, I'm not a.
10-15.
Don't resist, ma'am. Relax. Control one.
How do you guys even do your job? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Don't hurt me. Just let me walk. Just give me a second.
You have a chance to walk up.
Is this your purse?
Give me a second. Would you just stop? Would you just stop? I will walk.
You're gonna get another charge.
No,
Just walk.
you're hurting
Just walk.
me.
We're not hurting. If you walk, you won't get hurt. Simple. Don't push
You're
away.
embarrassing me. Are you kidding me? Are you? This is you.
We're gonna go down to
It's not okay. It's not okay.
Ma'am, you got an ID in this purse?
My ID's in my purse.
In your other purse?
This is what you guys are paid for. It's not okay. The girl with the red hair. It's not okay.
I just need a flight number.
3668.
I checked your CP.
3668.
Sorry, I didn't do it. I never said one more than that.
Where you guys headed to?
Nashville.
Nashville. Nashville.
I don't know. I'm pretty new right now. The TSA. 86. She's 38.
Yeah, thank you.
Listen, because of my hands, they hurt really bad.
They're not made for comfort.
I'm not a criminal. Look at me in my eyes. You can't. Look at me.
Keep walking.
No, just look at me.
No, keep
You
walking.
can't because you know that I'm not.
We gave you every opportunity to get off the plane.
Stop! This is not right, you guys. Stop! Just let go. I will walk. You
No,
don't have to hold
absolutely
me.
not.
Listen, you do not have to hold me.
Call Kim over here. Unless you want to pat down.
And do you guys have anything else? Where's my other bag?
We have your bags,
We have
ma'am.
your bags.
Can you please just let go
No,
of me? I
they
can
have
walk.
to hold you because you're handcuffed.
I'm not going to run. Just let me just
It's for your
walk.
safety. They're gonna
You
hold
guys
you.
are crazy.
Help you.
I'm not a criminal. Trump in the art of the deal, he'd be like, this is so up. This is not right. You guys go home every night, you're like, this is not right what I'm doing. So tough. Listen, can you do me a favor? I will walk wherever you guys want me, but just let me walk on my own.
You can. All you gotta do is walk.
I am, but you don't have to hold me. You
We
don't
have- we have to
push
hold you.
me. No, you do not.
I'm not pushing you.
No, you do not. You do not have to push me. You don't have to hold me. I'm not. Are you kidding me? Just let me. Just give me. Just let me just breathe for a second.
You can breathe.
No, I can't.
Okay,
I'm
all
not
right.
a-
Stop,
Let
stop, stop.
go.
Stop. I'm
Let
gonna,
go.
what's your name?
No.
All right. Listen,
Please just have him let
Listen.
me go. I just want him to let
I'm
me
Lieutenant
go.
Porter. I'm Lieutenant Porter. Listen to me. I'm their supervisor. Listen to me.
Okay.
I have to pat you down.
Okay.
Okay, so he's
Okay.
going to study you
Okay.
because you're handcuffed.
I understand.
Okay, so give me, is there anything on you that is sharp?
There's-
Okay.
Look at me. Are you
All right,
kidding me?
I know. Okay, so just stay calm for a minute. Yep, exactly. You're doing great. Just breathe. Perfect, perfect. Okay.
Could you please let go of my arm? I
He can't, he had, listen to me.
I've been an abused woman. I've been
He has
hit
to
by a
study
man. I need you to just
What's your
let
first
go.
name?
Of
What's your
my
first
name is
name?
Lauren.
Okay,
My
Lauren.
last name
Lauren.
is I need him to just stop grabbing my
Lauren.
arm. It's so aggressive.
Listen to me. Listen to me, Lauren. Okay? You are handcuffed and you are intoxicated.
I know I'm
we
not.
don't want you to fall on your face. Okay?
I'm not
So
intoxicated.
he doesn't
The
want you to
airline
fall.
said that I was intoxicated. I'm not intoxicated.
Okay.
There's nothing that you guys will find in my purse and my belongings. There might be
All right, I gotta go in the front.
$100
I gotta go in the
cash
front.
Find in my purse. There's nothing that you guys are gonna find. I just want you to lighten up your breath, please. There's so many things that you guys need to concentrate on. It's not me. Can you please? Can you please?
Yeah, I'll give her a
Just let- I don't.
Ma'am, go ahead and hop in.
I can't hop in. I need to.
I'm holding you so you don't fall. Put your left foot in first. Good. Good.
Does this make you guys get off? Like, what the? Are you kidding me? Do I deserve this? You can't even look at me in the face. And you know it's wrong. It's not right.
If you scoot up forward, it's easier on your wrist.
It's not right.
questions for you, okay?
Airports are places built on rules, timing, and cooperation. When those three things break down even for a few minutes, the ripple effects can impact hundreds of people. In this incident, officers respond to a report of an intoxicated passenger who refused to leave an airplane after airline staff told her she couldn't fly. What unfolds isn't just a confrontation between police and a passenger. It's a powerful lesson about how pride, stress, and alcohol can cloud judgment in moments where calm cooperation would have changed everything. Notice how the situation begins. Airline staff explained that the passenger had been drinking and ignored instructions to stop boarding the aircraft. She reportedly ran past employees and re-entered the plane even after being told she couldn't fly. That's the first critical moment. Airports operate under federal aviation rules, and once airline staff determine someone shouldn't board, whether due to intoxication or disruptive behavior, the decision is essentially final. From a behavioral perspective, this is where the first fork in the road appears: comply and resolve the issue calmly, or challenge authority and escalate the situation. When officers arrive, their initial approach is actually measured. They don't rush in aggressively. Instead, they try verbal communication first. One officer asks her politely to step off the plane so they can explain the situation outside. That's a classic de-escalation technique. Move the conversation away from the audience and into a calmer environment. Public confrontation tends to make people dig in emotionally because nobody wants to feel embarrassed in front of strangers. But the passenger responds with something we see often in high-stress encounters: a focus on being right rather than being strategic. She repeatedly insists she knows her rights and hasn't done anything wrong. Now listen carefully, because this is where psychology takes over. When people feel accused or threatened, the brain's defensive systems kick in. The amygdala, the part responsible for threat detection, starts overriding rational thinking. Suddenly, the goal isn't solving the problem. The goal becomes protecting ego and identity. You've probably felt this before, maybe during an argument with a coworker or a family member, that moment when you think, "I'm not backing down." And once that mindset appears, cooperation feels like defeat. Meanwhile, the officers give her multiple chances to leave voluntarily. They even explain the consequences clearly. If she refuses, they'll have to remove her and place her in handcuffs. That warning matters. In conflict resolution, clear expectations are essential. People need to understand exactly what will happen if they continue down the path they're on. And here comes the turning point. Instead of leaving when warned, she continues arguing and delays getting up. 5 seconds later, the officer tells her she's about to be arrested for refusing to comply. In that moment, the situation moves from a conversation to a custody situation. Once handcuffs come out, the entire dynamic changes. The officers now have a duty to control the environment and ensure safety. What's striking is that even after being arrested, the passenger still focuses on proving she's right. She tells the officers they're wrong, questions their motives, and insists she's not a criminal. Psychologically, this is a defense mechanism called cognitive dissonance. When our actions lead to consequences we didn't expect, our minds try to protect our self-image by blaming external factors rather than reconsidering our choices. But look closely at the officer's behavior during the arrest. They continue giving instructions calmly: just walk, relax, don't resist. Even when she complains about the handcuffs hurting, one officer explains matter-of-factly that handcuffs aren't meant for comfort. It may sound blunt, but clarity like that helps prevent confusion during tense situations. Later, when a supervising lieutenant speaks with her, his tone shifts slightly. He slows things down and encourages her to breathe. That's another useful technique in crisis management, regulating someone's emotional state before continuing the interaction. When people are overwhelmed, reasoning with them rarely works until their nervous system settles. So, what can we take away from all of this? Because honestly, situations like this happen everywhere, not just airports. At work, in traffic, during arguments at home. The biggest lesson is simple but powerful. Cooperation isn't surrender, it's strategy. If you find yourself in a conflict with authority, whether it's security, a supervisor, or law enforcement, then focus on the immediate objective, resolve the situation safely, and discuss the dispute later. Courts exist for disagreements. Heated confrontations in public rarely end well. Second, recognize emotional triggers. Alcohol, embarrassment, and feeling disrespected can push anyone into defensive mode. If you notice those emotions rising, pause. Literally pause. Take a breath before speaking. 3 seconds of restraint can prevent consequences that last months or even years. And third, understand the difference between being right and being effective. In conflict situations, the person who controls their emotions controls the outcome. Ego pushes fights forward. Self-control ends them. Here's the question I want you to sit with the next time you feel that surge of anger or pride during an argument. Are you trying to win the moment or protect your future?